Just recently, sales director of UK company Woollard and Henry, Stuart Robertson, and commercial director Tapio Korhonen were a part of a trade delegation mission, visiting Guyana to scope out potential investment areas, including the establishment of a basalt fiber plant. Basalt fiber comes from the extremely fine fibers of basalt, a volcanic rock. It is said to be similar to fiberglass, having better physiochemical properties than fiberglass, but being significantly cheaper than carbon fiber. And after a few visits on the ground, Robertson believes Guyana has an advantage in the basalt market, as the raw materials can be easily mined here.
And you can also use much less concrete when you do your designs, because you don't need to embed and the steel, you don't need to do that with the basalt.
Basalt is especially relevant here in Guyana, the sales director said, noting that the material does not corrode like steel and can be used in the construction of sea defense and ports. And Robertson believes that it can also be developed into another export market for Guyana, as the raw material is also used in the aerospace industry, among others. Meanwhile, the commercial director Korhonen shared too that once the plant is up and running, jobs will be provided for over 200 Guyanese, with all local materials expected to be used in construction. Korhonen explained that the plant would not require much basalt to run. A maximum of 5,000 tons of fiber can be made from only 500 to 600 tons of basalt rock.
They are processed either pull-through some process to make rebar, or then knitting and sewing for mesh, or woven rowing can be made also. So it's a woven fabric for basalt fabrics. So there's a variety of different fabrications that we could do here locally.
Both company representatives have held talks with the government and the private sector, and a return trip is expected by the end of the mid-quarter to pinpoint the exact location of the plant. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Shikima Day.